Imagine adding one simple superfood to your daily routine that could transform your health from the inside out. We're talking about the humble avocado. Packed with essential nutrients, eating an avocado every day can trigger remarkable changes in your body. Starting with your heart. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. But it's not just your heart. Your brain loves them too. They contain lutein, a carotenoid that improves memory and cognitive function. By providing a steady stream of healthy fats, avocados help maintain focus and mental clarity throughout your busy day. Moving down to your gut, one avocado provides nearly half of your daily fiber needs, promoting a healthy digestive system. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your microbiome and helping to reduce bloating and systemic inflammation. Speaking of inflammation, the antioxidants in avocados, like vitamins C and E, work to neutralize free radicals in your system. They also help with weight management by keeping you feeling full and satisfied longer, preventing unnecessary snacking throughout the afternoon. You might even notice a healthy glow in your skin and reduced joint discomfort, thanks to these powerful anti-inflammatory properties. From better digestion to a sharper mind and a stronger heart, the benefits of this green fruit are truly comprehensive. Start your journey toward better wellness today. One avocado a day is a delicious investment in your future self.